package includes an IR heater compatible with NT12000 6-inch spin coaters, a dedicated control unit for its operation, and 5 amp power cable to power the control unit. The IR heater module has two output cables. One is the heater power cable, which supplies power to IR heating element. The second is the temperature sensor cable, which is responsible for real-time temperature feedback. The PID controller is used to precisely control the IR heater temperature. The mode button, or the square-shaped button in the PID controller, is used to view the set temperature. The increase button is used to raise the set temperature, and the decrease button is used to lower the set temperature. Start by connecting the 5 amp power cable to the power socket in the control unit. Connect the heater power cable using the circular connector. Then, insert the temperature sensor cable into the sensor input on the control unit for accurate temperature feedback. Use the PID controller to set the temperature of the IR heater. Press the mode button and the increase or decrease buttons simultaneously to adjust the temperature. Once the temperature is set and stabilized, place the IR heater on top of the NT12000 6-inch spin coater to treat the substrate. Align it properly by positioning it within the groove provided on the NT12000 6-inch spin coater.